Most watch collectors waste thousands building massive collections when one perfect watch could replace everything in their rotation and save serious money. The uncomfortable truth that watch YouTubers and collectors don't want admitting is that multi-watch collections mostly gather dust while you wear the same favorites repeatedly anyway. We're talking genuinely versatile watches that transition seamlessly from diving to boardrooms, from casual weekends to formal events, from outdoor adventures to black tie galas without looking out of place. These aren't compromise watches. They're legitimately excellent timepieces that excel in every situation, eliminating the need for specialty pieces. Today, we're revealing 5 affordable watches that genuinely replace your entire collection, proving that versatility beats specialization. Number 5. Seiko 5 Sports SRPD. The Seiko 5 Sports SRPD delivers ultimate versatility at $295 by combining dive watch capability with dress casual aesthetics that work everywhere. This exceptional timepiece features 42.5mm case with 100-meter water resistance handling swimming while maintaining refined proportions for business casual environments. The variety of dial colors creates personalization options, while the overall design maintains versatile aesthetics, working from beaches to offices. The 4R36 automatic movement provides mechanical satisfaction, while the exhibition case back adds visual interest during casual situations. The applied indices and beveled edges create refined appearance that elevates this beyond basic tool watch into genuine everyday piece. YouTube watch channels showcase the SRPD's versatility through week-long wear tests, demonstrating it genuinely works for all occasions. What makes this replace entire collections is the SRPD delivering dive watch durability with proportions working under dress shirt cuffs. The accessible pricing means you're not devastated if it gets damaged during activities, while the build quality ensures it survives everything. Number 4. Citizen Promaster Diver BN0151-09L. The Citizen Promaster Diver BN0151-09L replaces collections at under $300 by delivering professional diving with eco-drive convenience, eliminating battery anxiety. This legendary timepiece features 200-meter ISO-certified water resistance qualifying for serious diving, while the 44mm case maintains wearable proportions. The blue and black colorway creates visual interest without being too casual for business environments when paired with appropriate attire. The eco-drive solar charging means you never worry about dead batteries before important events, unlike mechanical watches requiring constant wearing. The mineral crystal and overall construction survive daily abuse, while the date display provides practical everyday functionality beyond just diving. Instagram influencers showcase the BN0151 in various situations. From diving to weddings, proving its genuine versatility across all environments. What replaces entire collections is this Promaster handling literally everything from professional diving to formal events without compromising anywhere. The solar reliability means it's always running, unlike automatics that die in watch boxes during collection rotation. Number 3. Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic. The Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic replaces collections at $595 by delivering Swiss automatic reliability with versatile field watch aesthetics. This versatile timepiece features 40mm case that fits under dress shirt cuffs while maintaining adequate presence for casual wear. The variety of dial colors creates options from conservative black to distinctive colors working in different environments and situations. The 80-hour power reserve provides practical convenience for collection rotation, though this watch typically stays on wrist continuously. The sapphire crystal and Swiss automatic movement provide quality construction, ensuring decades of reliable service across all situations. YouTube watch reviews demonstrate the Khaki field working equally well with suits and t-shirts, proving genuine versatility across dress codes. What makes this replace entire collections is the field watch aesthetic being universally acceptable from outdoor adventures to business meetings. The Swiss-made credentials provide legitimacy, while the accessible pricing makes this the only watch you need buying. Number 2. Tissot PRX Powermatic 80. The Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 replaces collections at $725 by delivering integrated bracelet luxury with Swiss automatic reliability. This contemporary masterpiece features integrated bracelet design, working from casual to business formal without appearing out of place anywhere. The 40mm case, with slim 10.9mm profile, slides under dress shirt cuffs while maintaining substantial presence for weekend casual wear. The 80-hour power reserve means it keeps running through long weekends even when not wearing it constantly. The sapphire crystal and Swiss automatic movement provide quality, ensuring this watch lasts decades as your only timepiece. Instagram watch accounts showcase the PRX working in every situation, from hiking to galas, proving its legitimate all-occasion versatility. What replaces entire collections is the PRX delivering luxury integrated bracelet aesthetics at prices where owning one perfect watch makes sense. The versatile design means you're never inappropriately dressed, whether diving, hiking, or attending weddings throughout life. Number 1. Tudor Black Bay 58. The Tudor Black Bay 58 absolutely dominates by replacing entire collections at $3,800 through perfect proportions and ultimate versatility. This legendary timepiece features 39mm case with slim profile, creating vintage proportions that work under any clothing imaginable. The 200-meter water resistance qualifies for serious diving, while the refined aesthetics work perfectly for formal events and business. The manufacturer caliber MT5402, with 70-hour power reserve and COSC certification, provides Swiss quality, ensuring decades of reliable service. The variety of dial colors and strap options creates personalization while maintaining the Black Bay's universally acceptable design language. YouTube watch channels produce extensive content about using the Black Bay 58 as one-watch collections, validating its genuine versatility. What makes this replace entire collections definitively is the Black Bay 58 being universally acknowledged as the perfect one-watch choice. The combination of perfect sizing, professional specifications, manufacture movement, and timeless design creates the ultimate watch that genuinely works everywhere. The Black Bay 58 proves that one perfect watch beats 10 specialized pieces you rarely wear.